Thank you for reaching FTC4 production. My people, thank you for your support. Thank you. Thank you for your unconditional, eternal support that you provide to the channel. Thank you for your unquestionable loyalty. Thank you for sticking around. For those who have never been in here, I have to let you know that FTC4 production is one of those channels. It's one of those channels that is here to provide back to the community, to the working class people, to the low income people. We are not here to sell you. This channel is to give you an opportunity for you to take advantage of something that might make you money, make you a better person, make you a better human being, a better professional, for free. Having said this, let's go back to business. Today I want to share with you what you like the most. I'm not gonna deny it. My audience is pretty much pushes for airdrops, and today I just brought you that MG.Land with friends airdrop event, $3,000 worth USDT. This one actually begins on July 8th and it's gonna be done on July 22nd. So you got 12 days, around 12 days left. Plenty of time to participate on this MG.Land airdrop. As usual, I have to let you know that please always do your due diligence. But again, this is actually for free. You don't want to need spending anything. It's no minimal, if any, or nothing at all risk. But I always like to add the cherry on top of the cake and give additional advice so you actually know exactly what you're getting into and have some knowledge on what you're actually owning. It's really definitely not a bad advice to say. We're living difficult time economically, financially speaking. Inflation is eating us alive, especially the working class people. It is really smart from every one of you to make just move, strategically move when it comes about investing and spending. In situations like this, airdrops like this can change your life at any time. Just keep collecting, building your portfolio, participate on this airdrop for free, and you're gonna get in exchange, if you win, assets that can grow over time. And if you keep putting additional more to have a strategic position in every one of these assets that you have in your portfolio, I can guarantee you in the future you will be really good, because these projects that are coming out lately. These airdrops are primarily speaking done by this company because they believe in their project, they believe in their product, and they want to be seen, they want to be posted themselves in the spotlight out there in the arena. And the best way of doing that is through these airdrops. They give you a piece of the company, a little bit of them. In exchange, you get to learn about them. Because for you to participate on this, you have to read. You have to actually know what you're doing. And by doing that, you get to learn more about this company. And perhaps in the process of learning, and you figure it out and actually learn more about this company, you might become part of it and a potential investor as well, which is a very lucrative way of doing this type of airdrops. Depends on the company too. Some other company does it because they just want to make a great grand opening and celebrate and give back to their current supporters. Some others just really want to be seen because they have something that they want to show everybody out there. And I see very smart move being done on this. Moving forward, MG.Land with friends. Welcome. Massive airdrop is coming to celebrate the MG.Land Alpha released. The event MG.Land with friends. I actually say mega. I assume that is by MG, but you never know. So we gotta say it in the right way. As it's shown, because MG can mean many things. My apologies for going ahead of myself and saying mega at first, MG.Land. We don't know that. In my case, I don't know that. You know what? I actually already came to correct me. It's actually meta game. That's what it means. Meta games. Meta game land with friends. So let's set it right up. Let's set it right in the right way. Massive airdrop is coming to celebrate the meta game land alpha released. The event meta game land with friend airdrop event to reward our community members as well as introduce the meta game land to user worldwide. Since I said it in the right way this time, and my apologies to the meta game land investors and community, let's actually show it. I'm gonna be saying it as an MG.Land. Sounds better, right? The time, like I said, is actually between July 8th at 5 a.m. and July 22nd at 5 a.m. UTC. And the winner announcement is gonna be 5 days later after the airdrop event finalizes. It's gonna be July 27th. The price structure, which is pretty much what you really want to know. The top referral, the price number one is gonna be $100 per slot. Top two, $70 per slot. Top three, $50 per slot. Top four, $30 per slot. And top 5 through 25, $10 per slot, which is really cool. Lucky winners is $2,500 per 500 slot. In order to receive your rewards, you must bring your NFT into the MG.Land at least one time. They'll manually review all entries eligibility cheaters will be removed from the airdrop campaign. Please, 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 I have seen it happening before. Bring some integrity into this. You don't want to lose too much for nothing. Okay? I have seen people in other airdrops to the point of winning, almost got it all, and they lost it for a stupid move. That's the way we gotta say it. It's silly. Some people think that they're smarter than the system and they just want to get some shortcuts. I get it. That's a natural thing of certain people. They're trying to be slick and smart. I get it. But you are taking too much risk and you can get caught. Okay? And you don't want to be exposed on some embarrassment like that. Please bring integrity, play it clean, be fair to others, and you'll be happy. If you lose, you learn from the company, you learn a lot of experience, just move on. Okay? About MG.Land. MG.Land is an open metaverse for NFT holders. All NFTs on Ethereum can be brought into the metaverse as an identity. You are free to use your NFT and MG.Land to chat, dance with friends, play PvP, mini games against others, watch movies, concerts, and sport games together. Also make friends with other NFT holders. Let's enrich your NFT use in MG.Land. Also, you got 11 ways to enter. How can we do this? You first have to join in MG.Land Metaverse. Connect your wallet and click on Enter Land. One ticket per day. That's what you get there. See, it's the way you're gonna go. Your full name and email is required, and I will recommend you to get notified on other glean from competitor is optional. Your NFT name, that will give you 10 points. I understand that's the easiest of all of them, and it will give you 10 ticket, 10 points entry. For example, name Dope Ape hashtag 9112 or Chilling Ape hashtag 750 comma they're giving you an example. That's what I'm trying to say. Please connect your wallet, then click on Enter Land, and then choose one of your NFT Ethereum. You must complete into MG.Land at least one time to receive the rewards. There is no fee to join the metaverse, and all Ethereum NFT can be brought into MG.Land. Your NFT name, which join in MG.Land metaverse, you put it down here, and then you click continue. Easy as that. Give you 10 points. The rest are really self-explanatory. You gotta follow the metal game _ land on Twitter, right here. You gotta authorize app and do that. Give you 1 point. Retweet Metal Game Land on Twitter. Got that. 1 point each. Then you gotta tweet the at Metal Game _ land hashtag MG.Land hashtag Metaverse hashtag NFT community, and they'll give you another point for that. You also have to log in with your Discord account. I'll give you 2 points for that. Join MG.Land Discord and get verified in the server. They'll give you 2 points for that. You gotta hit the join and then continue. I'll give you 2 points for that. And then you gotta visit MG.Land official on YouTube, and then, well, visit it. I think it's not enough. Okay, yeah, you hit visit and you will be marked in here. Then visit MG.Land on Facebook, right there. You click and then continue. 1 point for each. TRC 20 wallet, that's your TRC20 wallet. You put them in there and hit continue. You get another point. Also, you complete all these steps and fill them in blank, then you want to actually get this unlocked. But you need to complete all these 9 actions first, and then this one will be refer friends for extra entries. I think this part here is unlimited. You will be capable to refer as many as you can. You can even send it to me. I'll be one of your friends. I'll accept it if you actually find me around. That's it. I'm gonna leave it up to this point. As usual, I'm gonna put the URL of this main page so you can come in here and check this out on your own speed, and you actually get submerged more about this crazy airdrop that I'm bringing to you all. I hope you win, because if you win, I do win. My goal on this video is only and solely to give back through information, important information that can make you money potentially from now to the future, to the working class community and low income people during this pandemic and during this inflation time. It's crazy, this economy, and the new normal that we're living with, this distancing situation, stuff like that, it doesn't make it any better. So I'm trying to give back the love that was given out to me through my community, to all my people without restrictions or distinction or race or color. All of you are human beings. I just want to help out and give back in any way I can. Please, in a humble way, don't forget to subscribe to FTC4 Production. In that way, you actually give support to the channel, and in that way, I can see that what I'm doing is actually being well received by the receivers out there, which is you, my community. And that way, I can continue and bring in information like this, because information is power, ladies and gentlemen. It used to be withheld by a chunk number of elite people back in the time, and they were the only one we accessed from search. But those are things from the past. Technology is on our side, and we got access to it 24/7, and we can actually get access to this information as well and depend on it and learn. Ignorance is an illness that is not allowed on these times anymore. You can go to YouTube or anything on the site and Google and search, and you learn any type of skills. It's out there. You just gotta go look for it. If you don't know something, search it. You'll find your answer. Thank you for sticking around until this time. Until the next video, I love you all. Have a wonderful day.